Labor Day weekend, we're down here at Depoe Bay, the smallest harbor in the world, smallest bay in the world, and we have chartered a rock fishing boat. Always a chance of getting a ling, that'd be cool, but they just upped the limit to 7 rockfish. I think we're gonna do some crabbing too. So away we go. We got the wrong dock. Be early. Now we're late. We're gonna be those people. Someone's on the phone. We can't find the right dock. They left without us. This is dock 2. Looking for the tackle buster. The importance of knowing your boat. Not the tackle buster, the SurfRider. Some nice guy came and rescued us.
Get a fish on there, holler out, fish on, loud and proud, just like you're at a football game. Get the fish up to the surface, leave the fish in the water, about 6 feet wide, rod tip to the fish. That way we can dump on, grab the fish, lift it in the boat, put it in the tow, and that way we go. Remember, when you see your fish, say fish up. I'll be right there to help you guys. 11 rockfish is 7 rockfish per person right now. Also allowed to have 2 additional ling fry. If you catch a fish and we throw it back, it's not because we don't like you guys, it's just because we can't keep them right now. So with that, guys, let's go fishing. Woohoo! We are going to get to know our captain. It's Captain Tyler, right?
Yeah.
Captain Tyler.
We're actually in a boat race right now.
Oh, we are? Okay, who's that over there?
It's the outer limit.
So Tyler, how long have you been doing this for?
I've actually been doing it, basically my whole life.
Your whole life.
Second generation captain. My dad's been captaining like 40 plus years.
Is that right? Is he still doing it?
Yeah. He's running the tackle buster. That's his boat.
Good. So you born and raised in Depoe Bay?
Yep, born and raised in Depoe Bay.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's a rarity nowadays.
Yeah, it is.
Cool.
Spent some time away, but for the most part I've been here.
And,
So I got my license officially in 2013. I was in a motorcycle accident in 2008, and so I'm actually paralyzed from like the chest down.
No, you could never tell. Holy
I have leg
shit.
braces. Came down to the dock. I use my wheelchair since I stand up with, so it took me a little bit longer to get my license due to the medical side of things. But,
Yeah.
and I've been out here my whole life, and you know, came back and started running the boat with my dad, basically doing the same thing I'm doing now, but my dad was just on the boat, So, and then eventually I was able to prove to the Coast Guard that I can do this,
A little bit about the boat.
Yeah, this boat is a 50-foot Delta Marine charter boat.
SurfRider.
SurfRider, built in 1976. We just did a big refit on it. I actually bought it in January out of San Francisco. It's called the Wacky Jackie. And the original owner, when she sold it in January, she's 92 years old. So she's pretty much a legend down there in the Bay Area.
How's the fishing report look for today? How was it yesterday?
Sounds like it was shallower water bite yesterday. We're out halibut fishing.
So they bumped it up to 7 rockfish.
They did.
Right? And then 2 lings?
2 lings still the same.
Okay, cool.
Yep. So they just took away our nearshore complex when they bumped it up to 7.
Okay.
So we can't keep the quillbacks, coppers, chinas.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it sucked. Quite a few fish there. We're just give it a try.
Dude, thanks for sharing this.
Yeah, more welcome to have up here. So.
Right on.
Okay, you drop.
Ready on 4.
Okay, you drop. Okay, you drop. Gonna get set up here and do a quick test drop. We'll see what the drift angle and all that good stuff here.
Just run right here for you. You got one right there.
Can I get you guys to scoot up one rod over there? Everybody should.
If the fish come up even higher, I'll let you know. But try halfway up or so. You just gotta get them to go. Keep trying different speeds. Like I said, just do a little underhand flick out if you want. Work it back to the boat.
Where's your fish? You get tension on it and then you kick the bail and the tension shoots it out. Oh shoot. This feels like a ling. This is a ling. No, it's a cab. Oh, it's a cab. A big old cab. Fish up.
Let's go on back here.
When it's not working, change it up. Right on. Thank you, man. Oh, there we go. Chartering a boat is you don't have to do all the work. When you have a great captain like we did today, Tyler, you know, he'll put you on the fish. Awesome. And then you have a deckhand. I was talking to Brock, today was his first day, and he did great. And they're running around and they're helping you out with snags or whatnot, bait. And it gives you a lot of time just to hang out with friends and family and enjoy the day out here. So if you get a chance, we came out of Dockside Charter. This is the shoreline of Tyler. I mean, it's just a fabulous boat. Super nice day out. Got our limits, and we're pulling up crab pots right now, as you can see. And the crabbing's really good. So again, if you get a chance, charter a boat. It's not too expensive, and it's just a wonderful time just to hang out with friends and family. And you get to come home with fish. So, all right, see you out there. Crabbing's good, and they're hard too. They're not like the soft shell crab.
So where was it? Were you just like on a back road?
Yeah, it's right in Depoe Bay.
In your hometown?
Yeah. I was 20 years old at the time. I got back from college in Mount Hood. I was deckhand on the boat.
Okay.
And I just went to the post office and changing my mail.
Oh, just a random errand?
Yeah. We didn't have a trip that day. It was June 27th. You know, the car literally, it was like 11 o'clock in the morning. A car just zipped out in front of me off the side street, didn't see me. I was on the main highway there, and they zipped out, and it's just that fast, and I grabbed my brakes, and I didn't want to swerve in the, you know, the two-lane oncoming, you know, lane. Or
I'm fortunate to have family who live on the Oregon coast. They live in Taft, which is about 15 minutes north of Depoe Bay. And a family weekend for us is getting out on the water and doing some fishing. And sometimes that's chartering a boat. With chartering a boat, you're kind of guaranteed fish. Not always, but most of the time. But you also meet some really great people. And this trip was really exceptional. I got to meet Tyler, 34 years old, paralyzed, and he's a captain of a fishing boat. That just blew me away. So again, Tyler, thanks for sharing that wonderful story with me.
Yeah, you just knock the head off and that pretty much cleans them out.
That's really neat. What's your name?
I'm Rick.
Rick.
Yeah.
I'm Grant. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Cool. Hey, thank you, Rick.
You bet.
If you get a chance, charter a boat. Take your friends and family. It will not be a weekend misspent. We love doing it, and I encourage you guys too. So check out Dockside Charter. There's also Trade Winds. Depoe Bay, it's a great place to charter a boat.
What to do with rockfish? You batter it, you season it, and you fry it.
At a certain point, because there's so many.
An egg dip, egg wash, and I'm going to dip it for a second coating of coconut, which is awesome, and a little panko. And then we'll be ready to go in the deep fat fryer.
No, it's not halibut, but dang!
Tastes like halibut. Halibut?
Is it halibut?
Is it?
It's a close second, rockfish.
Little Thai sweet chili sauce on there. Ooh!
What a great night. Okay. Please like, subscribe. I love making these videos. Thank you. What was that advice that you gave me?
If it flies, floats, or that bad word, you're better off leasing. That's why we're chartering. That's exactly why we're chartering. Did that CPA on a boat? Yeah.
Lazy fishing right there.
Lazy man.
Lazy.
One arm.
One arm.
Look at that. One arm. Hey, I can do this.
I am the block. You know the wheel, the block on a crab boat? Come on.
No.
3 fish?
3.
What is it with that,
14,
man? What is
11,
that?
I
We're
don't
just
know.
bad luck for each other.
Yeah, we talk too much.
We don't fish, we talk.
We're just knobbing.
2
But
idiots.
still, there's at least
2 idiots on a
100
boat.
pounds of
That's the
fish
new
there.
name of my channel. 2 idiots on a boat that can't fish. We're at the but we do have more fun than
So that
everybody
counts
else.
for something right there.
We do have a good time though.
The same harbor that they filmed One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest.
That's right. I have to edit all this now, but yeah. No, that's fine. So
Jack Nicholson.
Jack Nicholson also likes to come down here and do dockside fishing, right, Uncle Rick?
Oh, yeah.
Catcherman. Not fisherman, catcherman.
Catcherman.
That makes sense. Okay, problem solved.